Hi everyone, it's Lauren from Single Barrel Soaps and I'm really excited about today's video. So this is for the YouTube 2019 Soap Collab. So it's a challenge. There's a bunch of us soap makers who get together and we're given certain parameters we have to make for this soap. So this soap must include a white mica, a glitter, and then it also has to use some form of milk. It can be a powder, it can be a liquid, it can be anything like that. So I'm so excited with how these turned out. I hope you enjoy it. Now the first part where I actually make the indent that goes in the soap, that I didn't record. So that was one of the ones I was doing late at night, that I'm just trying to get them all together and get them done. So we're gonna jump right into where I'm unmolding the little Christmas tree. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, we are back and I'm going to unmold the tree. Now I did notice there are some little dots all over the tree. Now I'm guessing this was from the fragrance oil. So I think it'll still be okay with my design, but I changed my fragrance oil for the main soap since I want that to really be white and pretty and not have little orange dots everywhere. So I'm just pulling this away, and then, because this is all supposed to be about glitter and fun and winter, I am going to add glitter to this. So hopefully when I cut it, there'll be a nice edging, like dusting of glitter around the outside. All right, I'm just pulling carefully. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's take a look at you. All right, so it's not perfectly smooth. I'm gonna keep it upright like this. Let's see, move it so you guys can see it. Okay, now, first things first, I'm just gonna see how, oh yeah, glitter is sticking to it really, really well. Now I'm not sure how much of this you'll actually see, but you know, even if it's just a little bit, I think it'll be a neat touch. Okay, now I'm gonna take, I do have the fan off in my office so I don't get glitter everywhere. I'm gonna turn this on its side, like this. And I'm just gonna dust. And this is, what is this? This is Super Sparkles Enviroglitter from Nurture. My other one I was spraying before, I'm not sure what that was. It's kind of an older one I had. All right. Okay, I think this will be good. I just wanted to make it look, you know, snow-kissed. I am making such a mess. I feel like, you know, when you were a little kid and you got to play with glue and all the glitter, it's kind of what I feel like. All right, let's see. This one a little bit more. Okay. And let's turn it on this side. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh, that actually worked. It is getting everywhere. See, I don't like these spots, but the way I planned and designed this soap, I'm hoping it won't mess it up. All right, so I think that's pretty good. I'm going to, just want to roll this a little bit. Oh. Yeah. Is it cheese glitter and glittery? Yeah, I'm doing it. Okay, wow, now that there's glitter everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna get a new paper towel. I'm going to move this little guy just very gently over here. Oh wow, hold on, let me show you guys this. I don't know if you're seeing all the shine. It's awesome. Okay. I'm also going to color my oils before I put in the lye water. So all of my extra glitter's going in here and all over my office. Oh, it's everywhere. All right, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit of this. Let's just spray some alcohol. I'm gonna clean this up and then I will be right back to mix in the rest of the colors and milk. Oh, there's glitter everywhere. It's everywhere. Okay, I'm back. There's still glitter everywhere, but that's okay. So for this, I am gonna color it with Snow White by Mad Micas. And of course, all the glitter I already have in there, I'm gonna use a good amount. And then I'm gonna be adding buttermilk powder. Now, When you use a powder, it's a little bit easier. It's not as dicey if you use a liquid or an ice instead of your lye water, but I'm really not that experienced in milk powders and anything like that. So I figured this would be good. I'll have it mixed in before we add the fragrance oil and the lye. So I'm gonna put that in there now. And I have about 2 tablespoons in there. And this should just make really creamy lather, really luxurious soap, which is awesome. All right, so now I'm gonna mix all these up. Ooh, that is a really pretty color. And because it's supposed to be glittery, hold on, I'm looking at my glitter wall. I'm trying to see what else I want to add in. I want to add in, yeah, a little bit more of the Super Sparkles. It's everywhere already, so let's just keep going. There we go. Okay, and I think the powder, I'm not seeing or feeling any clumps. It will get mixed more with the lye water and the fragrance oil, but I just want to, oh, I see a clump. All right, let me do a couple more buzzes. Okay. Man, there's glitter everywhere. All right, now I'm gonna add my lye and water solution. Right in. I'm gonna bring that to a light trace and then I'll add the fragrance oil. Okay, this tree just looks amazing. It's so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna add the fragrance oil and I'm using Birchwood Oud, probably not saying that correct, from Brambleberry. This I had to change fragrances spur of the moment, and this says it does not discolor, even though this is the darker color. So we're just gonna trust and we're gonna see what happens. All right. You can see my table still has glitter everywhere. Clean that up. I'm gonna bring the mold over after, oh man, this smells really good. I actually don't think I've used this fragrance before, and it's a really, really yummy scent. Okay, let's move the mold in, and as you can see, I've been using this for gingerbread men. Just ignore that. Let's put it so you guys can see it better. There you go. All right, so I'm gonna pour a small layer inside, so the tree is not just on the bottom. All right, it's a little bit bigger, but that's okay. Okay, oh, I'm really nervous to touch the tree. Really nervous. I'm gonna squirt you a little more. Just a little more, cause yeah. All right, so I'm hoping the tree will go straight in. I think it should. Nice, okay, and it is sinking to the bottom, but that is okay. The tree in Winter Wonderland, and I'm just gonna take the paper towel. Oh my goodness, that went everywhere. Okay, goodness, can't wait to pick up the kids from school today. Mom's got glitter everywhere. Well, to be fair, most people know me and know what I do, so they're just used to the mess. All right, now I'm gonna try to pour this just down the side. I want it to gradually flood over it. There, oh, nope, see, I don't want it to move. And maybe you actually can move a little bit. All right, sorry for blocking the view. Okay, this is, I think, the most nerve-wracking part about these kind of soaps, is that you don't know what's gonna happen on the bottom. I'm filling up to the very tippy top. Okay, I'm back, and it says I can use any color glitter I want. So guess what? We're gonna use all the colors for the top. Oh God, fun stuff. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to be using Fairytale Princess. we are back to cut my glitter bomb rainbow soap. I'm so excited about this, but a little nervous. So I've lined it up. I'm gonna gently press down. It's cutting really well. All right, let's take the end pieces off. These are just really pretty ones. I'll just have those as extras. Okay, let's take from the middle and see how the tree turned out. So nervous. Oh. I love this. So you can see that it has, let's see, you can see the glitter around the edges. Unfortunately, oh, that one fragrance oil really discolored on the inside. So I was planning, I'm gonna think about what I wanna do with this, but let's look at them. But I mean, it looks great. And there's a nice, I'm not sure if you can see, a nice subtle shine in the soap itself. So I think what I'm gonna do, and I had kind of already, I have a semi-plan, but it always kind of changes once I see the actual soap. So I am going to, this is right at the end. I'm gonna think. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna think about what I want to do. I really wanted to make it, I was really hoping it would, I'm really bummed about the orange spots, honestly, that went through. That's okay. Ooh. And here's just a nice, pretty simple rainbow bar. So that will be just a bonus bar. All right, I am gonna lay all the soaps out, figure out what kind of size barrel stamp I want to do, what I want to do with the rest of the tree. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Apparently I was just not recording at all. So what I'm doing now is I'm prepping my mini stamp with some glitter. I just sprayed some rubbing alcohol on it and added some glitter. This soap angles the other way, it was on the end, so it's gonna be my tester. So I'm going with the angle of the soap. Okay, that's pretty cute. All right, so I like that, we're good with that. I'm also taking, I have a little mini snowflake stamp. It was from my candy cane soap that I made, or Candyland soap that I made. So all I'm doing right now, I know you can't really see me, I'm sorry. This has a little bit of rubbing alcohol on it, and I'm spraying glitter on top of it. Oh, I'm gonna have glitter everywhere again. That's okay. And I'm gonna put this at the top of the tree. I'm gonna see, so it's nice and shiny. That looks pretty cool. Now, I'm trying to figure out if I want to make it look like there's ornaments on there or just spray it with gold and kind of be done with it. So I'm grabbing, I have my little clay tools and they actually fit, my hands are stuck, these little sugar pearls by Brambleberry really well. So I'm just going to make a little indent. Just a couple little indents. Once again, this is my little tester soap, so I'm seeing what I think. Oh gosh, these gloves are a little frustrating. Okay. You know, that's not bad. All right, I'm gonna make a little more. Excuse me, I think I am gonna use, I think I'm gonna go with all white. I think I'm gonna go with all white. I have the, okay, I'm gonna try one of the reds, or pinks, because I can't like not. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. And I'm just pushing these in. And this soap is really just kind of a, you can use it. This is a lot more detailed than I would normally do, but it's a showpiece soap. It's for the challenge and it's fun. Okay, I really like these. All right, yay. And then of course, well, and you can see all the glitter in there, which is amazing. This is pretty cool. And then I will dust the top with more glitter. Just a little bit, but it's gonna be the gold glitter just to give it a little more extra shine. Oh, man down. Oh, there we go. Okay. Just pushing these in a bit. Oh, There we go. All right. Okay, that's really cute. And I have the shiny on top. Okay, I'm loving this. Okay, now I'm just gonna spritz this a little bit. There we go. Okay, I love that. What do you think? So unfortunately, this did discolor to yellow a little bit, but it's as white as I could get it with the buttermilk powder, I think. And the tree maybe looks a little busy, so I might take a few of those off, but I really love this. Okay, I'm gonna keep going with the rest, but I'm gonna fast forward it because honestly this is a little time consuming and it's gonna take me a while. So I'm just gonna stamp them all first and then start decorating. These are all decorated. Time to spray the trees with glitter. Bonus, the gold covers the weird thing. And then because it was supposed to be a white soap, it didn't really, I'm gonna hit it with some white. Nope, that's not working. All right, let's get one of my other little ones. Here we go. All right, we're gonna just add a little white up on top. Looks like snow. I know this is so incredibly glitter forward, but honestly it's amazing. And all these are biodegradable glitter. These will all just run down your drain and be completely safe. So just rinse them off. But honestly, it's Christmas time. You know, it's time. I really just enjoy going a little overboard with everything, if you couldn't tell. All right. All right, I'm happy. Okay, I'm back, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I made this bar of soap. I think this definitely turned out to be one of my favorites I've made this year. I think I'm going to be bringing it back again next year, just for a limited collection. But I love how it turned out, and it's so cute, and all the glitter is biodegradable. Everything's great. I think the buttermilk powder makes this a really luxurious bar. It smells amazing. And I'm definitely saving at least a sample one for me, if not a whole bar. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I make this, and I hope you check out all of the other amazing soapers that are part of this YouTube collab. Thanks everyone, have a great day.